There is massive road construction at Tesla's Giga Berlin, and again today we have a day with great construction progress. After a lot of gravel has been delivered by train, the construction work on the construction roads is progressing very quickly, and we see massive road construction at Tesla Giga Berlin. Good morning, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Before I start telling you the story as you see this in this video, please take a moment, join our community, subscribe to our channel, as I'm going to bring you more daily updates from Giga Berlin, because exciting times are happening and the construction and the preparations are very lively at the German Gigafactory of Tesla. And also like this video to show your appreciation of our friend Jurgen, who has prepared this video and shared with us, with our Torque News community and on his YouTube channel. So what we have, it looks like the Brandenburg Environmental Agency has allowed or permitted the construction of roads at Tesla Giga Berlin, reports TeslaMag.de, a German language Tesla source. So what we have here, since mid-April, the many local observers of the preparations for Tesla Germany Gigafactory in Grünheide in Brandenburg, we as one of those observers had little to do because there was not much happening. After a record-breaking clearing and leveling of a good 90 hectares for the first building from mid-February, Tesla had already applied for pre-approval for the construction of Gigafactory's foundation, the processing of which is currently pending, because it turned out that the piles in the ground must be rammed. You can see that report in our channel. However, the State Environment Agency has already allowed the construction of roads together with the planning, and now things are moving fast again, as this new video shows. What I see here is like a lot of roads are being constructed. In my yesterday's video, I didn't know about this permit, and I thought those are temporary roads just for construction purposes, but I think these are permanent roads. And now this video was taken by our friend Jurgen from Grünheide, thanks to permission from the highest authority, namely from Tesla CEO, Tesla's highest authority, CEO Elon Musk, personally via Twitter. Curious people, interested people are now largely free to use their drones over the Gigafactory site. A young Tesla observer had previously been warned. Our friend Jurgen had already been previously warned by a security and police officer about the drone flight, which then successfully he asked Musk in Twitter, and Elon Musk said, "Fine by me." Since then, the guards have been informed, and drone flights via Giga Berlin can take place after an informal registration. The same, I think, is true for Gigafactory in Shanghai, in the Giga Shanghai. Now, this latest video from Jurgen, the link of which I will also post on my YouTube channel in the description of this video, and also Jurgen's Twitter, which I will link from my description of this video. It shows that Tesla is already using the railway line running from north to south across the property, and this is the private railway line about which I have reported in my in one of my previous reports. You can look in my channel. A freight train with gravel was observed here for the first time in mid-April. The material was then brought to the first makeshift streets in construction vehicles. On Tuesday, yesterday, a long row of freight cars arrived at the eastern edge of the Gigafactory's construction site, the current drone overflight shows. The construction companies commissioned by Tesla proceeded more efficiently than the first time. The ballast is now reloaded directly onto trucks with conveyors, belts, and no longer shoveled down with excavators. With the help of the many new materials, as the drone pictures show, a whole grid of streets seem to be created all over the Tesla property at Giga Berlin, which intersect at the same oblique angle. It's very interesting. They were apparently created before and are now being fastened with the ballast. Heavy transport vehicles could be seen at several points at the same time, distributing the material on the site. For some observers, this gave the impression that the foundation for a new city would be created, the Tesla city, because this is going to be a huge gigafactory. I don't know, I'm sure this will also have phase 2, like the Giga Shanghai, and who knows, maybe one day it will be also already called a Terafactory. Now, according to earlier statements by the Brandenburg state government, Tesla wanted to produce the first electric cars in the German Gigafactory as early as July 2021. In the German configurator of Tesla, Tesla specifies the planned start of production for the Tesla Model Y, which is to be built there first at the beginning of 2021. In the report for the first quarter of 2020 on this topic, Tesla was on schedule to begin delivering Model Y vehicles, electric vehicles, from the Gigafactory Berlin in 2021. Well, friends, let me know what you think about this massive road construction, and what I just reported confirms Brandenburg's economic minister Jörg Steinbach's earlier statement that the government is willing to go above and beyond to provide Tesla temporary permits to build the construction step by step until this final approval is pending, and also that, but with only one stipulation, that Tesla would bear the risk of reversing everything back should the final permit is not given. It seems that Tesla has agreed to this stipulation, and as a result, we see the permit is given, the temporary permit is given, the short-term permit is given, and Tesla has started a massive road construction in the Giga Berlin property. This will also lay ground for the future groundbreaking until Tesla is working on the application to build how to build the foundation of the Giga Berlin. Well, friends, thanks for watching. Let's continue the discussion in the comments below. Let me know what you think about these things and about the timelines of things processing. Before you leave, if you're here for the first time, please join our community, subscribe to our fast-growing channel as we chronicle Tesla, Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai, and automotive stories, electric automotive stories daily on this Torque News YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day. Like this video, please, to show your appreciation of our friend Jurgen, who has been working diligently to provide us information from Giga Berlin, among our other friends. And also, I'll see you in our next report that I have lots of interesting stories later coming today, up-to-date Tesla stories. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of the morning.